I'm Jake Norman, Managing Director at OAL. OAL is a family-owned engineering business that helps food manufacturers automate. Today, I am proud to announce that we have secured a £5 million innovation loan from Innovate UK. This investment will help us deploy over 1,000 robots into UK food manufacturing, securing the supply chain and ensuring our food is safe and compliant. Food manufacturers are under pressure. Labour is hard to find and retain, costs are rising, and retailers demand higher standards every year. For years, the industry has been told automation is the answer. The problem is, most robots were never designed for real food factory environments. Traditional industrial robots often require large safety cages, major factory changes, and significant downtime to install. Most food factories simply don't have the space, the time, or the flexibility for that. At OAL, we believe automation should fit the factory, not the other way round. We design robotic systems specifically for food factory environments. Systems that fit into existing production areas, systems that work alongside operators, and systems that integrate with wider factory operations. Today, OAL supports over 2,000 food production lines in the UK. This investment enables us to scale the next generation of automation, rapidly deploying applications across the UK food industry. This includes pick and place, palletising, and Tesco QR codes with GS1 digital link. This isn't just about robots, it's about building resilient food manufacturing operations. It's about improving productivity, reducing repetitive manual handling, and ultimately removing the risk that you can't run a line because you don't have enough people to run it. Automation needs people. This investment enables the growth of our support, engineering and technical teams here in Peterborough, and we're proud to work alongside UK food manufacturers building the factories of the future. Factories that are safer, more productive, more competitive, and ready for the next generation of automation. The future of food manufacturing won't be built somewhere else. It will be built here in Britain, and we're proud to make that happen. If you'd like to explore automation in your food factory, please do get in touch.